the following video, you'll see an exemplary assembly process with a regular plug-in flange for smaller BMRTs, which do not come with a lowering device. Before installing the plug-in flange, make sure to moisturize its O-ring with a few drops of water. Then carefully push the flange into the vessel's flange. Afterwards, the mixing head can be placed on the inner bearing. Be careful that the ceramic bearings are not damaged. Do not tilt or forcefully place the mixing head on the inner bearing. Now, let's move on to the drive unit's assembly, right on the vessel's bottom. We take the drive unit and fasten all 4 of its screws by hand, one by one. Then we take a wrench to fasten all 4 screws completely. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.